Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. It's Nina S. We finna do a natural everyday makeup look. Let's get into it. So right here, that's my makeup box, but this I use this Lineage, however you say it, moisturizer. This is a sample, and I got it from Sephora, and I love it. I love it down, y'all. I love it down. The toner, the lip mask, and the moisturizer. But I use this contour palette from the Beauty Supply store, and I think it's called underpainting. I underpaint first for like the naturalist look. So yeah, get into it. So yeah, right here I just make sure I get it everywhere, and this is how I contour for my face shape, like the round face shape. This how I do it. So I was getting ready to do my concealer, but then I was like, ooh, eyebrows. But then I remembered that I forgot my eyebrows, my eyeliner, my lip liner, my beauty marks. Like, I don't know where my pencil is for that. So I just started using mascara. And it was looking kind of crazy. Like, I don't know why I was looking kind of crazy, but you know, we got it together. Like, you see, looking crazy, but we got it together. So yeah. So right here I'm doing my concealer placement. I do right in my corners and right on the outside. Boom. And y'all can see, snatch, y'all, snatched. Fuck me. And yes, I do blend everything with one brush. That's my preferred way. I think it's more seamless. And disclaimer, I didn't get this disclaimer in the beginning of the video, but this is not a full coverage makeup look. It's not full coverage. So I don't hear nobody talking about full coverage. It's not. It's natural. I put on my glasses right here to see what was giving, and it was giving. I liked it. So yeah, and then right here is probably the most expensive thing I use in my everyday routine. I love Morphe, especially the setting powder, because I am a matte girly, matte down to the gods. I love a matte face, okay? So right here I use my one and only crusty dusty blush, y'all. I don't have nothing but this crusty dusty broken blush. It's real ashy, but if y'all got any blush suggestions for my complexion, put it down in the comments. Thank you. So yeah, right here I just blended out a little bit because it was looking crazy in the mirror, like crazy ashy, crazy just not pigmented. But this is my e.l.f. lip gloss. I love this lip gloss. I don't know why I haven't just went and bought another one. I always forget. But yeah, and I don't know why, but it staked a little bit. Like, I don't know why it staked a little bit, but I still used it. But yeah, after that I used the NYX butter gloss, and I put that all over. And here's the final look. I hope y'all liked it. This is my everyday makeup routine. Very natural, very cutesy.